Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Alright, so I'm going to show you guys what I had got from the beauty supply store, okay? And from Walmart too, I think. Yeah. Alright, so I have got this dark and lovely perm. So it's dark and lovely. The regular candle. Okay, like I said, got this from Walmart. The rest of the items that I have got it from the beauty supply store. Well, really, I got it from two different beauty supply stores. Okay, but I'm going to still show you guys what I had got. Alright, so I had got some Blue Magic grease. This was $3.99. It was on sale. And this was the only green one. The only one. Also was $1.99, which is ponytail. Forget what you call it. Oh, a hair tie. Yeah. Now I did not look at the back of this. I thought that it was all black. Child, it has gold in the back of it. And I thought that this was thick, but it's not. So yeah, got gold right there in the middle. I hope this thing don't break easily. I have this, which is semi-permanent hair color, dark brown, the number 120. This was on sale. It was $2.79. This is my first time ever trying this. Alright, last but not least, I have some spritz. This was also on sale. Now this was the cheapest holy spritz that I ever seen in that beauty supply store. The other one was about $8 and up. I was like, what? But yeah, but I love, you know, having a little bargain, you know. Yeah. Okay. Now, now some of these items I do not know the price of. I really don't. So I have hairpins, open hairpins. Okay. Like I said, I don't know how much this was. It probably was $1 or $2. I don't know. Okay. I also have black wrap strips. That's how we doing it on too. Of course, some hair glue. I don't know how much this was either. I really don't know. But this probably was like probably over $2, I guess. I don't know. Oh, and I don't know how much this was either. I got some more rubber bands. I need some more rubber bands. Blue rubber bands like this, just to do my braids and stuff. And of course, twists. So this was none of this. Alright, I also got this right here, which is hair oil. This is my first time using this flavor. So yeah. Let me smell it though. Okay, it says vitamin E oil. It smells okay. I should have just got the olive oil one. But they have different kinds like this. You can also get this from Walmart too. Walmart is cheap. I think Walmart's is like 98 cents. This was, I think, $1. This was cheap. Alright, last but not least, I have this right here. The ponytail. This is my first time ever buying this type of brand of a ponytail. Okay. This is Model Attack Curl 14 inches. The color 30. y'all. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate all of y'all. God bless.